Okay, here we are looking at this contraption here. This is something that I'm doing as an experiment, as a concept trial, prove that the concept works. I know I shouldn't be burning galvanized or getting anywhere near it while it's burning, but out here in the open air it's been safe enough. This is about the 8th burn I've had on this today. Will be the 8th burn. Just figured you'd want to see the components first. We've got a 6-inch T with this metal plate that I made here that has a bunch of holes drilled in it, bent forward so that they blow the air into the back of the burn chamber, and feet on the bottom to hold it up off the floor so that the wood doesn't crush it down to the bottom of the 6-inch pipe. This is a 6-inch piece of tubing that I picked up at Home Depot. It's HVAC piping. You can see up inside just an elbow goes straight into a T, straight into an elbow, and then straight into a short stack. So, put this up in here. It's all the way up in the back. And I put this little piece on here just to bring it flush with the end of the housing. Like that. This piece here I put right in here. So that brings it out flush with the back here. And we put the cap on, and then the combustion chamber is complete. Well, you can see that goes all the way up in the back. We have the burn tube comes up and out here, 6-inch pipe inside of an 8-inch pipe, capped both ends, vermiculite all around the 6-inch pipe. And down in the bottom down here, you can't see it, but that elbow for this burn chamber comes right through the side of this pipe, without the sides, so it's flat cap on the bottom. And then this is just a 20-gallon garbage can from Tractor Supply. As I said, this is just a concept thing. Then it just comes out the back into 2 L's and up the pipe. Okay. This is all just set up temporarily with cinder block and brick to suck up heat and to hold everything in place. Alright, now I'll go ahead and load the firebox, set this up on a tripod, and we'll get it burning. And we can watch it burn. Back in a minute. Okay, here we are again with the rocket heater assembly. I'll pull the camera off and video it here in just a minute. But right now we're going to light this thing up. Get you a view of this thing in action. Get this wet piece of cardboard. Everything's wet out here. It's about 45 degrees and everything's soaking wet from last night and it's rain. See if we can get this puppy to light. Pretty wet out. Cardboard catch it will pretty wet. It does, and I can start putting all this little tiny twiggy crap in here. A little bit. Let's see if we can get the light up. This boat is just wet. Resort to a propane torch. Come on, light up. Everything is so damp. It is so damp out here. Keeps burning my fingers. Alright, give me these things back. We gotta get this cardboard to burn before we can get anything to burn. I don't normally use accelerants, but it's so wet today, I think I'm gonna. This rag here that I had soaked in gas earlier for cleaning my wife's car. Let's see if we can't get it to light. Sticks to start cooking. So it starts burning. Just keep beating. Now we're starting to cook. Put this piece on here, make it draw better. Get it cooking. real problems with this camera cutting off on me, so hoping this is gonna run. I don't know if you can see this or not, but that fire is actually going that way instead of that way, which is where the tube goes out. It's drawn underneath that plate. That ain't cooking. Now it's starting to warm up. Smoke's not coming out of the chimney anymore, and I've only been burning 2 minutes. Of course, that'll come and go as I add wood, but get some coals built up. This wood is so wet. Now we're starting to get some heat. Get my thermometer. Alright, we're burning about 10 minutes now. So you see we've got some good coals going now. Put some larger stuff in here. Some fatter coals going. Bark in there. I mean, a old piece of a post